Again to the another KMM tutorial, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to write a platform independent unit test in KMM, obviously because we are working with the Kotlin multi-platform mobile application development. And it is a very interesting topic because we're gonna write a platform independent unit test in KMM, because as you remember in my previous video before this video, I created a simple video regarding writing unit tests for common platform. As you can remember, if I go to my project, if you remember, I created a simple test for task view model, which was pretty much a common business logic. Okay, so it was a common view model which was used by both iOS and Android, right? And it was pretty simple. But now the situation is complicated when you have to write a platform independent test. Okay, so how do we write that? Okay, so this is the big question that I'm going to answer in this tutorial. So the big question was like, if you check out, like I had a platform this platform class, and this is a expect, and it was using an expect actual mechanism to implement the platform independent code, right? Because obviously the platform was pretty much independent to its specific platform, right? Obviously, because the operating system name, the version, CPU is all platform independent code. So we used this platform independent using this expect and actual mechanism, which is a standard mechanism suggested by Kotlin multi-platform, right? And so to write this kind of test for Kotlin multi-platform, it's pretty easy. Okay, so I have just given a detailed overview of how you can implement that. It's pretty easy. You will just learn in less than 5 minutes. The most important thing that you have to understand while implementing the platform independent unit test, you have to understand that platform independent codes are always implemented with this expect and actual mechanism. Okay, this is the first important concept that you have to understand. And then the second thing is, obviously, if this is a platform independent, so obviously you have to write a platform independent test obviously for each platform, and this platform independent test will be lying in their specific test suite. Okay, so we need to have a different test suite. One test suite is for Android, and the another test suite is for the iOS. As you can see here, first thing is you have to go and create the test suite. Android unit test suite for Android, iOS test suite for iOS simultaneously in the shared module. Okay, so here, as you can see here, I have just created two test suites. One is for Android and the another one is for iOS. And here I have just created here is like Android unit test and for the iOS test, right? And so this is the first step, right? And then now the second step is, in the common test we have to create a platform test. Obviously in the common test, obviously you have to create another test file, that is a platform independent test, and this test will be obviously using also the mechanism that we followed previously, that was the this famous mechanism of expect and actual mechanism, right? So here also our test will consist of this will be consisting of this expect keyword, and this expect keyword for this test will be implemented for each platform, right? For iOS and Android. This is for iOS and this is for Android. Like as you can see here, I have just implemented both of them using the actual implementation. So if I go to the Android, you see I have just made the Android implementation here using the Android standard code. Okay, and then if you go back and just check, and now you see I have just done the iOS implementation, and this is the iOS implementation. Okay, it's pretty simple, guys. And after you just independently implement for each platform, you just need to run the test. You can just run either clicking on this button for each platform. I'm just running the iOS test to check out if everything is working fine. And what I have done here is I'm just checking if the operating system that it is returning is equal to the iOS or iPad OS. Okay, so if it is not, then obviously this will throw a message that the OS name should be iOS or iPad OS. Okay, and yeah, as you can see, the test is passing, and you can also do the same for Android. And if you run this trace, obviously it is also doing the same thing, using the checking like if the expected value is equal to the actual value that is provided by this class, platform independent class. Okay, as you can see, this is the platform independent class, right? So yeah, that's it guys. And also, as you can see, the test passed, and it's working. You can also use the generic command, right, to run the test using the command line, using this command to run all the tests. So this command will actually run both the test for iOS and Android. You don't need to just separately just click the button. So this is just only what, with one command, this command, you can just run all the tests, okay, for each and every platform. And that's it guys. In less than 10 minutes guys, we have learned how to write a platform independent tester, unit tester for KMM. And guys, if you like my content, please do send me some claps in the Medium blog, and also subscribe me in my YouTube channel. And catch you up in the next lecture guys, and please support me so that I can create more videos like this. Thank you guys.